When we do this Nauka Sanchalan, there is the increase in blood flow in our abdominal region as well as our reproductive areas. Special benefit of this asana is that it helps in postnatal recovery in ladies. The asana strengthens our core muscles, hip region, pelvic floor muscles, and our lower back region. Once we start to do this asana regularly, female can see noticeable differences in their gynecological issues. For example, periods related, irregular periods, amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, all these symptoms, it can be relieved by this asana. It brings fresh blood as well as nutrition to our digestive as well as reproductive areas. So, male and female can benefit from this asana for reproductive issues, and also this asana helps relieve constipation, which we call mother of all diseases. This engages our core region and our lower back, buttock region, hip region, and also our upper back and upper limb region. And also when we do this asana, we can feel it stretches our hamstring muscles, it stretches our hip muscles. So these are the benefits of this asana. Let's see how to do this asana. Namaskar. This is Prarambhik Sthiti, which is starting position for Nauka Sanchalanasana. Now from here, we have to interlock both our fingers together and keep it near our chest region. Spine should be held erect. From here, we are going little backwards. This is starting pose. We can feel little contraction in our core region. This is one of my favorite asanas when I teach it in TFU, Traditional Fitness Universe. From here, we have to exhale and go down, and coming backwards, we have to inhale and come back to the same position. Now let's start. 1. This is 2. 3. 4. We are mimicking rowing of a boat like a sailor. 5. This method gives the most benefits. Once completed on one side, we are going to do the same on the opposite direction. So 1, come back to the same position. We can feel the core strengthening, core engaging. 2, 3, enjoy and do this posture. 4, I'm feeling my whole body strengthening. 5, okay. After completing this pose, sit in Sukhasana and relax, or relax in any relaxative pose and you can relax. Now, I have learned pranic healing while I was studying 10th standard. Once I learned this, I will scan the aura. I will scan the chakras. It was my habit. And we do a lot of experiments. I've been learning this yoga since my 8th standard. So, when I do yoga or silambam, when I check the aura, immediately aura size increases. You can feel it, you can experiment it yourself. So, thank you. I love to say that. Thank you. Thank you. I wanted to share that information. Let's see in the next video.